everyone! Today we will learn adjectives. An adjective is a word which describes or tells you something more about a noun. They are also called describing words. There are three kinds of adjectives: adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, and adjective of number. I wore a pink dress. This is such a beautiful painting. The brave soldiers fought for our country. In these sentences, pink, beautiful, and brave are adjectives of quality. Let's read these sentences. Add some salt to the soup. There is enough ink in the ink pot. How much rice did you serve? In these sentences, some, enough, and much are adjectives of quantity. Now, let's read these sentences. Many students failed in the test. There are several shops near my house. I had 2 eggs for breakfast. In these sentences, many, several, and 2 are adjectives of number. Let's read these sentences. Anaya is a young girl. Ayan is younger than Anaya. The baby is the youngest of all 3. In the first sentence, the adjective young tells us one of Anaya's qualities. It is in the positive degree. In the second sentence, the adjective younger makes a comparison between Ayan and Anaya. It is in the comparative degree. The adjective youngest helps compare the age of the 3 children. It is in the superlative degree. An adjective in the positive degree is changed into its comparative and superlative form by adding er and est. For example, thick, thicker, thickest; tall, taller, tallest; fast, faster, fastest; great, greater, greatest. Dropping the y and adding ier and iest. For example, lazy, lazier, laziest; heavy, heavier, heaviest; costly, costlier, costliest; wealthy, wealthier, wealthiest. Friends, the adjectives that end with y, if you want to write them in the comparative degree, you should add ier instead of y. If you want to write it in the superlative degree, you should add iest instead of y. Adding more and most. For example, attractive, more attractive, most attractive; careful, more careful, most careful; famous, more famous, most famous; courageous, more courageous, most courageous. Friends, the adjectives that are big, if you want to write them in the comparative degree, you should always add more in front of the adjective. If you want to write the adjective in a superlative degree, you should add most in front of the adjective. Some adjectives do not follow any rules when taking on the comparative and superlative degree. For example, little, less, least; good, better, best; bad, worse, worst; much or many, more, most. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed and understood well. Bye. See you soon.